Hey.
Third, Zach Pitt.
Hey. Hey, now hold on.
Quarters are covered.
Ready?
Yeah, hold out.
Dylan Alonso, field is
Ready?
yours.
Dylan doesn't know how to do this.
Yeah.
One more time around, one more time
Me
around.
neither.
One more time. Last one, steady pace. This time off the floor. Go. Green time racing. 40 lap A-main event underway. Dylan Alonso, check out TC. Now we're trying to check out here in the A-main event.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh! Got Monty.
Monty's wearing the steel-toed Nikes. He's all right.
Shit,
Oh,
those
shit.
are Crocs. Look at Arnold.
Joe Nichols to the point. Sinclair to the 2 spot. Steph in the 3. Sancho and Alonso.
Hang it too tight.
I'm trying not to.
Sinclair, Nichols, Steph. That's 1, 2, and 3. 29 to go.
Oh! Lord, we got magnets, dude.
Alonso to the 3 spot. 20 to go this time by Joe Sinclair. Up to the point. The green, white, and blue. Number 21.
This guy right here? Go, Joe. What you waiting for? Wondering where you're going.
Oh, sorry, Jack. That was a little me on.
Huh?
That one was on me.
15 to go.
4 wheels is better than 8 are better than 2.
Ooh.
Up next, race number 6. 75 spec split A-main. Start making your way through race number 6. Houston, Jacky Wood, Melvin Williams, Bryson Woods, and Sparks. 6 laps to go. Make that 5 this time by. Leader off the 10 number 4, 21 car. Looking good.
Broken.
White flag for your leader. Joe Sinclair. That is a race. Joe Sinclair taking the A main event, late model, rubber tire. Qualified 6. Pete Sims. 7 spot, Dalton Mueller. DJ Hill at 8 spot, and Bryson Wood in the final spot.
Thank you.
Bryson's not here.
All right, guys, let's roll it.
Hey, look at it. It does have brakes.
All right, go ahead and roll it out. Joe Nichols, still yours. Go one more time around, one more time around. All right, this time off the floor, this time off the floor, this time.
Playing through. Oh, I did that. I'm sorry.
Doing it wrong.
I'm bad.
All right, line it back up. Nice, slow, steady pace out of our pole.
It just barely
Joe Nichols.
Sorry,
Joe
guys.
Nichols, go ahead and roll it out. Everybody else fall in line where you belong. We got Nichols, Alonso, Paul, Wood, Sims, Jr., Field. One more time around, one more time around. 40 lap, A main event. This time off of 4. This time off of 4.
Hold on, we got one at the infield.
Go for it. Nothing.
Go for it.
Nice slow, steady pace.
I wasn't even in aisle 7.
This time. Go.
Restart.
Restart.
Yeah, my restart, right?
Oh, bummer.
To the bottom.
I was coming up, too.
Wow.
I was gonna run away.
Field is yours.
No, you weren't.
I don't fuck. I wasn't.
Alright, one more time. This time now. Go. Restart.
Oh,
Get it together.
Damn it, Polly.
No start.
Back her down, Jill. Back her down.
ah.
Thank you, Dylan.
I'll just park with you.
This is why we can't have nice things. This is exactly why we can't have nice things.
Tony's pissed. If you guys don't get this shit straight, going
One more
home.
there, please.
I don't think he's seen you.
You look like a big white too.
Alright, so
Blend in with the pipe.
Oh,
this time off court. Go.
You guys work this run with it. I'm loose, so go. I'm gonna have to dog fight it.
Lead by racing 40 out.
where were you going on that one?
Long go to the point. Jacky in the 2 spot. Top like 4, Down Alonzo, your leader, Jacky in the 2 spot. Trent Miller up to the 3. Liz Collins, Keith in, DJ Hill, Joe Nichols, Wheeler.
Oh, Polly, I'm sorry, Daniel.
Oh shit.
Damn it.
28 last time by. So your leader, Dylan Alonzo. Jacky Wood, not too far behind. Showing Jacky Wood now to the point. So Jacky Wood not yellow and orange. Coming off turn number 2. Alonzo in the white truck right behind him. So the battle for the lead is on.
Bullshit.
Battle for the lead. Coming off turn number 4 down the front straightaway. Jacky Wood. Leading across the line last time by. So the orange truck, the white truck. Trent Miller in the green truck.
Jacky,
Trying to work his way back into the picture. Jacky Wood.
Oh wait, who's that? Wait, which one's the orange one? Oh, sorry, Dobby.
18 to go last time by for Alonzo.
Jackie.
Wood, Miller, after 1, 2, and 3. Tim, Miss Paul, Miller. That's 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry to everybody. How's that?
White truck, your leader. Jacky Wood trying to reel him back in. Alonzo trying to help through traffic. With 3, smoothly. Now, Jacky Wood's got some work to do. 10 to go, last time by. Race for the 10, you guys are up next, race for the 10. Jackie's down at Hobby Shop A.
shit.
Dylan Alonzo, Dave Sparks, Chapman, Destroyer, Ross, and Coleman.
No, that's my bad. I didn't see that. Oh, dude. I'm so sorry. Hit the bed.
5 to go. White truck, new leader, driven by no other than Joey Alonso.
Oh, snap. No, I'll go. Well, maybe the place that was. Then,
White flag for the leader. And that is our race.
First one, too.
I can field is yours. This time off 4, this time off 4.
I don't know.
Go, 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 go. Anybody see Monty's wing? Anybody got Monty's wing?
The body humpity hump right now? What's happening?
Race of the game underway. This is our A-main event for Captain 7 Heavy Salt and our Outlaw Buggy. Lap A-main event, 22 to go, lifetime ball for Trenton Mills.
Oh, shit.
That's the 1, 2, 3 running order for Emmett. Old Toyo, Colamine, 1 and 2, Outlaw Buggy.
Sorry.
Certain Miller,
Whoa! That was weird.
Alonzo, y'all white, 6-1 second car. And Sparks, y'all white, number 44.
That's crazy.
Eight to go left on that.
No way I'm getting it.
And that is our race. Trenton Miller's taking the A-main event win. Bill Alonzo in the 2 spot. Egg Sparks taking the 3. Osorio taking the